Yo guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and we did it. We reached 500 subscribers, and at this 500 mark, I wanted to give something back to you guys for your support, for watching anything that I put on YouTube. It's greatly appreciated. When I first started out, I wanted to get 10 subscribers as my goal, and here we are today. We've surpassed 500, we've surpassed 600, and we're well on our way to the next milestone. So thank you for coming for the ride, everyone who's hit that subscribe button, everyone who's dropped a like on my video, everyone who's commented on my videos. I read all of them. I try and reply if I can think of something witty. That being said, we still are at a relatively low subscriber count, so should you enter to win, you have pretty good odds of actually taking some of these products home with you. And that is especially true once you start subtracting the Russian bot accounts and the trolls that just subscribe to Drink the Haterade. So, rules. Basically, to enter, you do have to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, even though there's no way of me tracking, but that's another story for another time. So, subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment down below which item you want, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're at 600 and something now, I will start shipping these out. I'll reach out to people individually, randomly, through my sub list. It will help if you comment on the video down below. You'll get extra points. And then I'll ask you, which of these products do you want? One item per person, and I'll ship that out to you once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So pretty exciting. That being said, I will say, don't hold your breath. We are growing, but it may take a few decades to actually get to 1,000 subscribers. So hang tight, and let's get right into the products that we're giving away. So actually some cool stuff. So this is a DOS speaker. They're a #1 Amazon rated speaker. This is their latest one, the Soundbox Pro. And I'll have links to videos that I've done on these products down in the description as well. So pretty good Bluetooth speaker, decent sound, heavy on the bass. The Marshall Major 2 Bluetooth headphones, big fan of these. Great sound, surprisingly bassy. These are the Smart Omi Era, and let me tell you, it was no error in picking these up. These are a sporty Bluetooth headphone, decent sound for the price. I think these were like 25 bucks, something like that. The Light Zim truly wireless earbuds. These are one of the better truly wireless earbuds I've tested, so these are in the mix as well. Then another product from our friends at Smart Omi. These are the active noise canceling earbuds. They do what they are advertised to do, which is block out ambient noise and white noise while listening to your tunes. Then over here we have our Arch Ear AH45 wireless headphones. Now these are cool because they actually pair as a speaker as well. So if you're running to the shower, you don't want to listen to just your iPhone playing music, just bring the headphones in, man, and put it on the speaker mode. Best of both worlds there, and Arch Ear, obviously a decent brand. And then the Muson sports action camera. This is advertised as being 4K. Is it true? We report, you decide. I did a video on this. It's what it is. It's a budget sports action camera. Takes decent video. Has Wi-Fi, it came with this entire kit of mounts and what have you. So that's another item. So again, to enter, you just have to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below, that'll increase your odds, and just hold your breath and hope that one day we make it to 1,000 subscribers. And before we go, again, thank you to everyone who's ever dropped a comment, especially the guy that told me to go suck dick. I mean, you're automatically entered to win. So thanks for the support. Again, appreciate it. Thank you for coming along for the ride. As always, this has been Nick from Quick Tech. Good luck. We'll see you in the next one.